Efforts to vaccinate people in the remote Amazonas state in Brazil are being hampered by flooding. Higher than average rainfall this year has forced health workers to take to boats to deliver vaccines to vulnerable residents who've been stranded by the floodwater. Today we're going house to house with vaccines for influenza and against Covid. We're vaccinating people aged 18 to 59 and with chronic conditions. Brazil has been hard hit by Covid-19, not just in remote areas, but also in its cities, where crowded neighbourhoods and poverty go hand in hand. New favelas are sprouting up in Sao Paulo. They're built and lived in by recently unemployed workers who've lost their jobs and homes as a result of the pandemic. Everyone ended up being fired. The majority of people were fired, and so was I. Without a job, I couldn't pay my rent. I was evicted from where I was living and found the solution here. I built my small shack here, and now I'm living here. Giovanni's story is far from uncommon. Former saleswoman Jessica Costa also lost her job and consequently her home. We decided to come here because with only one person working it's not possible to afford the rent. 2 small children, one aged 4 and the other 2. Things got tough and we had to come here, but I used to work before too. And there appears to be no let-up in the pandemic's assault on Brazil. Latest figures showed over 67,000 new infections registered in the previous 24 hours. The country's death toll stands at over 430,000.